So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can fix app drawer not showing on your MI device. Now I have a MI phone here and you can see like this is the regular home screen and I need to just swipe from the right to the left. I really can swipe from bottom to top showing my app drawer, so that isn't working. Basically the app drawer feature enables you to simply swipe bottom up and you can see all the applications that you have on your phone. So other than that, like if it's this classic way, then you basically see all the apps on your home screen, and since the home screen doesn't really contain all the applications, you need to swipe to the right and keep doing this so that you can see all the applications. But it would be wonderful, isn't it, to simply have all the apps reflecting on the home screen itself by swiping bottom to up. So in case it's not reflecting here, what you can do is you can simply swipe from the top, tap on the settings icon from here, scroll down until you see home screen. So basically whatever appears on the home screen, you can control those settings from here. So tap on home screen and now you will see that it says the home screen has been selected to classic. Now whenever the home screen is selected to classic, what it means is the classic theme of showing applications are more of the conventional pattern wherein there is no app drawer. But you can also show the classic thing with the app drawer, and that is like if you select this, now you can see like there are various things, but I have now selected with app drawer. So as soon as I go back now, you will see I can simply swipe from bottom to top. I can search for applications. So this is all great. I mean, this is basically a drawer containing all the different applications, and this was not there earlier. So like now you can see also we have a small swipe up button. So as soon as I do, I can select all the applications, and this doesn't mean that I can't see the apps like I used to earlier. I can still swipe from right to left and all that, and I can still select an app and see what's inside, but I can also swipe up and check all the applications. And this feature is also referred to as the app drawer. You can see the different categories are already built here. You can search for applications, all those things, wonderful little things. But if app drawer wasn't showing up on your MI device, well, this is what you need to do. Quickly repeat the steps. Went on to settings, inside settings, went on to home screen, inside home screen, simply selected on home screen and selected the one with the app drawer. Also, I believe you can simply, like hard press on the home screen, tap on settings, and from here itself, you can also head towards the same thing, the home screen settings. So this is just a small little trick which you guys should be aware of. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's work. If you did, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your friends and family. Also do let us know how you find the tutorial in the comment section. If you have a mobile device and if some issue is bugging you, please do let us know so that we can invest in the smartphone and we can spend some time researching solutions which will help you in due course. So that's all from my side guys. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.